And so it begins. Taking down all of my Christmas decorations, trying to pack them up. Happy New Year! Welcome everybody. I hope everybody had a great holiday. We're back after a 2-week break and this is where we're at. Undecking the halls. Oh, what a job. Anywho, Mark is working away in his workshop downstairs and I thought I'd just putter and get things put away, tidied up a little bit. I do things in spurts. I don't do it all at once. It's exhausting, as we all know. But if you're new here, I would like to say welcome. I'm Lisa from the Yohos. And if you're not new here, I'd like to say thank you so much for coming back. It's crazy because I say every single year, and I know that everybody's the same, this is all the decorations I had. Like what? And I literally have about 4 bins downstairs full. So I'm hoping maybe this year, I guess if I talk about it, it makes me accountable. I'm hoping to go through all of the bins and trying to donate a lot of the stuff. I want to really just weed through it because they're taking up a lot of valuable real estate in our storage. The tree, our very sad at this time of year looking tree. That was a fun little video. Christmas went by so fast, like it does every year. Usually I change up the pillowcases. Yeah, so this was one of the pillowcases I just get online. They're so they're really cheap, to be honest. I think they were, $3 or $4 online. So anyways, I changed those up because I get the same size pillowcase every year. That way, I'm sure everybody knows this little trick already. That way you can use the stuffers on any kind of seasonal pillow. A couple of them. Try not to go too crazy, but they're fun. Those ones, I think I'm gonna keep this one because it's really cozy. Like really cozy for the moment. I have undecked the mantle. It's kind of sad. But I'm leaving those pine cones up too because they're winterish, I think. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not decided. And same with these little gems too. I'm like, I don't know if I want to part with these right now. They're so cute. And if I do, I'll just put them in my craft cabinet. I got these little gems at the thrift store this year. Oh, so cute. I almost want to make them. I feel like it's, oh, here it goes, crafty brain. Oh, so it's just triangles essentially. It almost looks like leaves. Well, that's another reason why I'm going to leave them up because then I can kind of dissect them in my brain and make more of them. Oh, in different colors. Okay, so I'm totally procrastinating. Let's get to packing all these little goodies away. Freaking cute is that? It's made out of rice and I guess white glue and food coloring. Oh, our oldest made it in kindergarten and now she's gonna be 23. I have to wrap this up extra careful. I feel like our youngest might have eaten hers. I'm just kidding. This might be overkill, but maybe not. Worth it, I think. Very worth it. Let's be real, I'd probably try to stick it back together anyways. These are great, but they're such a nice little sturdy box and they're not overly big, so you're not stacking them too heavy or too many of them in a box. They're very handy. And another thing, look what my one cousin made us. I thought, how cute. Yes, DIY must run in the family. But look, it's all buttons from my Oma's house when they were selling my Oma's house. Look at how cute, all the buttons that she was sewed like crazy. But then she wrote on the back. Like how sweet. So, and I just love the colors. She made quite a few of them, so thanks again. That ready to be put away. All right, so that's it for the day. I'm over it. I still have quite the collection on the dining room table, but you know what? It's a slow week this week, so I will, well, semi-slow. So I'll just pick away at it. Mark has to bring up a bin, another bin, just one. So I'm kind of happy with that. So that means all the other bins that I have downstairs, Christmas bins, I need to get rid of that stuff. Hello. Oh my gosh. Went to the wood depot.
Oh, look, there was a sale. There was a sale. Can you push it?
Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. Well, that was a bit tricky. Heaven forbid he makes more than one trip, eh, Mark?
You're right.
Me.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, Tree, you did a good job.
Oh.
What?
Oh, dear.
Are we losing some, are we getting a needleification?
Dora's like, what? She looked like she was in the... Oh. You okay down there?
Yeah. It's alright. Everything's okay.
You match the walls.
Do I?
Oh, no. Bye, Christmas tree. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way. Like, hello, deal of the century. Look at this thing. I got the round thing from the thrift store. It was like $2.99. How great is that?
What?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you will get notified every time we post a new video. The Yo-Hos!